you are looking for anti-certificate for your retail stores, like bag stores, clothes store, or other different types. If you want to know more details about anti-certificate, today I will show you some daily footage of the EAS alarm gate. This is our hot selling IF dual system. Here totally about 50 sets. Now every set is packed with PE bag already. Now our chronicle is preparing the cartons. The next step, we will pack the EAS system into cartons with cover box together. Install the cover box. Put the power adapter with transmitter antenna together.